Welcome to another example and the word problems leading to linear equation. This example is kind of long. Well, the length is not the problem. The length is not the problem. What you need to do, read each statement, understand it, and convert it to mathematical expression. Just as easy as that. So let's dive right in. Solution. Okay, good. Let's see. A water tank contains 5 times as much as another tank. 5 times as much as another tank. Okay, that's kind of straightforward. So let's go. Let the small tank hold X volume of water. Now let the big tank hold 5x. We are not forming it. It's here. A water tank contains 5 times as much as another tank. So there are 2 tanks in the question. Let's continue. When 20 liters of water okay, when 20 liters of water are poured from the first tank into the second. Okay, let's get this right. Let's read our question again and try to ascertain which tank is the first and which tank is the second. So let's do that. A water tank contains 5 times as much as another tank. It definitely means the big tank is definitely the first tank. Let's see. A water tank contains 5 times as much as another tank. So this is the first tank according to the question, while this is the second. You see that you have to take things gradually when solving word problems in linear equation. So let's continue. When 20 liters of water are poured from the first tank into the second tank. We are transferring 20 liters of water from first tank to the second tank, meaning after transfer, first tank or the big tank, mind you, we contain 20 liters less. Why? Because we are transferring 20 liters of water. When 20 liters of water are poured from the first into the second, so we are taking 20 from the big tank or the first tank. After transfer, second tank. So the second tank becomes what? Will it be minus? Will it also be minus? If you said yes, you are very wrong. It will be plus. Look at it. Let's read it together. A water tank contains 5 times as much as another tank. Okay, let the small tank be x, then the big tank we hold 5x. Good. When 20 liters of water are poured from these 20 liters, is coming from the big tank. We are removing 20 liters of water from the big tank, meaning after the transfer, the big tank will be short of 20 liters times 5x minus 20. And then we are now pouring these 20 liters into here, into the second tank. That makes it x plus 20. Thus the second tank have received 20 extra liters of water from the big tank. Now let's continue. This is where we stop, right? Okay. The first contains 3 times as much as the second. Okay. Definitely means when the 20 liters of water are poured from the first tank into the second, the first tank, where is the first tank? This. The first tank contains equals to 3 times as much as the second tank. Good. We have our equation. Now let's quickly solve it. 5x minus 20 equals 3x plus 3 times 20, 60. 5x minus 3x equals 60 plus 20. So what's 5x minus 3x? That should give us 2x equals 80. Dividing through by 2. 40. Meaning x equals to 40. Now what value is x? Oh, that means the small tank initially holds 40 liters of water, while the big tank holds 5x. That's 5 times 40. So we can write it out by saying small tank initially holds 40 liters. Then big tank holds what? Sorry about my writing. Holds 40 liters. Then the big tank holds 40 times 5. Remember, 5 times 40 times 5, which is 200 liters. Yeah, we have come to the end of this series on linear equation. I started this series by explaining what a linear equation is, how to identify linear equation, how to solve simple linear equation. Then we move to solving linear equations having parentheses, solving linear equations in fraction format, and finally we are ending this series with solving equations with word problems leading to linear equations. I have come to the end of this tutorial series. Please like my videos, and if you haven't watched everything, I implore you to do that, as you will understand or you will have the full grasp of linear equation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.